This lesson is about the coordinate plane. The goal is to plot points in the coordinate plane, and the standard is geometric properties with equations number 5. The essential understanding of the next couple lessons is that you can graph a line and write its equation when you know certain facts about the line, such as its slope and a point on the line. The coordinate plane is divided into 4 sections, and the 4 sections are called quadrants. The quadrants are separated by 2 axes. The horizontal axis is the x-axis, and the vertical axis is the y-axis. The point where the 2 axes meet is called the origin. The coordinate of the origin is 0, 0. The quadrants are numbered 1 through 4, and they use Roman numerals for the number designation. So you start in this upper right-hand corner, and this is quadrant 1. You go counterclockwise. That's quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Any point in quadrant 1 will have both the x and the y coordinate will be positive. In quadrant 2, the x value will be negative, the y value will be positive. In quadrant 3, they're both negative, and in quadrant 4, the x value is positive and the y value is negative. Now, any point that would fall on the x-axis would have a coordinate of x, 0. X would have some number and y would be 0. On the other hand, if a point lies on the y-axis, it would have a coordinate of 0y. X would always be 0 and y would be a different number. Those are some important facts to know about the coordinate plane. The coordinate of any point on the coordinate plane is written in this form, x, y. To plot a point on the coordinate plane, you would either first move left or right from the origin, and then up or down from wherever you fell on the x-axis. So, if you were asked to plot the point -2, 5, you would start at 0 and go to -2, and then go up to +5, and that point would be right there. So go to left or right first, and then up or down to the y value. This point is -2, 5. Here's your first practice problem. You're asked to graph the points -9, 1 and 1, -3 on that coordinate plane. You're going to graph 2 points. They're not to be connected by any line. The next practice problem asks you to find the coordinates of the 5 points S, T, U, V, and W. Let's look how to write this out. Let's look at point S, and that's the point right there. So to find the coordinate of that, we start at the origin. We're going to come over here to -5. So the x value is -5. And we go down to -3. Therefore, the coordinate of S is -5, -3. You do points T, U, V, and W. Practice problem 3 says if x is less than 0 and y is less than 0, where is the point located? In which quadrant? Look at your notes on the coordinate plane before you answer. And practice problem 4 is if the point xy is on the y-axis, which of the following must be true? Again, look at your notes or look at this coordinate plane to get your answer. And where are you on the scale on the coordinate plane? Are you at I don't get it? I sort of get it. I've got this. Or I'm so good I can teach this. Remember, if you're at I don't get this, watch the video again. And no matter what language, it's still goodbye.